Assalamu alaikum, this is Saklan from Crypto Crazy. Today we are going to talk about Star Atlas. We will discuss everything you need to know about the upcoming AAA blockchain game. But first, kindly hit the subscribe button. We will send 50 Tether to our one lucky subscriber. Star Atlas is an online multiplayer game set in a virtual gaming metaverse. It is being made with Unreal Engine 5, which means it will have cinematic quality real-time environments. Star Atlas is set in a futuristic science fiction world where three major factions have arisen and are fighting for resources and control: humanity, an alliance of alien races, and sentient androids. This game combines variety of gameplay. It involves some strategy in the sense that you must devise tactical plans of action for interacting with other players and factions. Space exploration is a big part of it because game has a lot of stars for you to explore and exploit. It partly a flight simulation because player may go to and explore these stars on their own via first person flying. Finally, player may mine materials and earn money by doing so, making it a role playing game as well. After selecting a group, players begin in group security zones without fighting to learn the basis of the game. They can then go to medium tier security and open gaming where they can engage in battle. Fundamental gameplay pillars are deep space exploration, combat, building space stations and spacecraft, choosing in-game profession to mine resources and forging alliance to scale control of resources. Assets required in the game can later be exchanged for real-world currency. Solana blockchain is being used to power Star Atlas. Several Solana-based projects including Serum, a decentralized exchange, and FTX, a centralized exchange, are supporting it. The whole system is built on Star Atlas 2 tokens. The first Atlas is the typical in-game currency. Players can earn Atlas by doing various activities like mining ore and selling it in the game market, or even by selling their assets. Almost everything in Star Atlas, from spaceships to land to mining platform, is an NFT. There are very few items in the game that are not owned by the players. Polis, meanwhile, means you get to play the other aspect of the game. Political intrigue. Star Atlas has layers of governance built in that are controlled by players, from local corporations and guilds to giant regions DAOs. Any player holding Polis can make decisions about the game and perhaps most interestingly outvote the creators. Players can use Atlas token as in-game currency to purchase assets, but they will also be able to buy NFTs on the NFT marketplace that will function as ships and other in-game equipments. At the same time, players will be able to choose a profession such as CEO, broker, bounty hunter, pirate, a large number of other to fill roles on spaceship. Ships will also be able to pool their resources and compete collectively rather than individually. These decentralized autonomous business will be able to build entire space cities complete with microeconomies. Unlike traditional games, which have a single release date followed by updates and DLC, Star Atlas is being released in stages. Let's check its current price and the exchanges from where you can buy it. Its current price is 10 cent and ranking is 264. You can buy it from FTX, Gate.io, Ascendex, SerumDex, Radium. If Star Atlas had Axie Infinity's market cap of 7.7 billion, one Atlas would be worth 3.57 and upside of 32x. Its total supply is 36 billion, circulating supply is 2.2 billion, market cap of 230.7 million.